Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zahra Karenina, number metric 268911. I will presenting the presentation of menu pricing consideration. First of all, determining your menu expense, also as known menu pricing consideration, is the process as determining the price which you want to offer different item at your restaurant. When choosing the cost of your menu, you must include the cost of preparing your item as well as overhead costs. And move on to the next topic is menu. Menu is a list food that will be serviced at a certain meal in certain order. The menu is important part of service concept since it defines the product, creates critical financiability, components such as price and contribute margin, and serve as potent marketing tools. And the function of menu are to inform the guest what food is available, cooked, and presented at what price, and give the image to help presenting the overall image and restaurant. And move on to the next topic, type of menu. Menu are broadly classified into several types. First is buffet. The buffet is type of buffet presentation system is served in bowl, trays, or other eating place are neatly and attractive arranged on buffet table or along service table according to the group. The buffet food menu is usually very diverse and combine food, hot, cold food, and appetizer, heavy meals, and dessert. While buffet service is an English term that means serving yourself, so guests who come can immediately take place in cutlery and take the menu they want. And several types of buffet there are. First is simple buffet, and second is station type buffet, modified deluxe buffet, and deluxe buffet. And the second there is table d'hôte. Table d'hôte is a range of complete dishes served to guests of determined price. The dishes ordered are usually limited quantities or consist only few groups. To maximize service and satisfaction, guests can still choose one several available food menu for the appetizer, main course, or dessert menu. For the advantage of table d'hôte, there are all eating and drinking utensils are neatly arranged on the table before guests arrive. And this system is perfectly for guests who don't want to wait for long or don't have much time to wait due to work or schedule on the group. And buyer can order in advance or before they come to the restaurant. But in the other hand, there are disadvantages of table d'hôte system. First is it will be very inconvenient for the waiter to cancel the order on the day because the chair and table must have been neatly arranged to complete while eating and drinking utensil because they are having discipline again. And the third, there is a la carte. It is all the dishes over which is within the resource of particular kitchen. It means from the cart from it guests may be selected compound their own menu. And the characteristics of a la carte system menu are include foods menu that can selected per item that completely menu list, provide opportunities for customer to choose food according to the taste. And there is advantage of the a la carte system, which are maximize the team service. Usually, a guest will be served as by waiter or waitress for arriving or leaving restaurant. So even though in the middle of the meal there are guests who are willing to add a la carte menu, they will serve by service system. And move on to the and other that there is consideration in menu planning. Consideration in art menu planning are arts and science that require extensive knowledge of basic method of preparing and system, and also understanding of the nutritional value of food, as well as aesthetic in food combination. Menu planning also require careful and observed planning of some fundamental principle to meet manage objective. There are three factors to consider for food planning. First is preparation hour. When preparing the menu for planning commute, must consider the business operating hours policy. For example, the dishes all breakfast, mid-morning, lunch, even snack, dinner, and also should be covered in from open 7 a.m. to the mid in restaurant. It only open for lunch and supper. The menu such be designed accordingly. And the second is what to serve. The management policy may not permit the include of pork, beef, or any non-vegetarian dishes, genetically modified food, and so on may be prohibited by management policy. And third, there is type of menu. The menu of can be implemented in operations should be born in while planning the menu. For example, the a la carte menu will offer extensive choice under each category, and table d'hôte menu will be set number course with limited choice and set price. Read about different types of menu. Last but not least, there is strategies to pricing of the menu. To strategize the pricing of the menu, you have to avoid the price level. For some people who are just starting a menu, it feels confused to determine the price of menu. But each dish it made some different method and ingredient. And second is there consider the other factors. And I think that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.